activities with their littles. They're very often like very enthusiastic and want to get right in there. So a very simple activity you can do is just call it a feeling, like an emotion. So you can be like angry, and then you can have your learners just like try to make a face or a pose that they think reflects that emotion. Maybe they want to make like a sound. You can, think about your learners and what's going to be accessible for them. Not all learners have that kind of physical control over their face and bodies. So maybe they want to make a sound, or maybe they just want to like move in a certain way. But get them sort of moving through those emotions and thinking about them. And for very, very young children, sort of our like 3, 4, 5 year olds, you can keep it simple, like the basic emotions. So, angry, frightened, happy. As they start to get a little bit older, sort of, 7, 8-ish, you can start to introduce maybe some slightly more complex emotions. You could talk about, frustrated or nervous or eager, things like that. You can have students use like dolls or puppets or stuffies to act out and problem solve scenarios. So